Russia-Ukraine conflict escalates. Russia's air defense, missile exchanges, and nuclear threats. According to multiple reports by the BBC on November 25, 2024, the Russia-Ukraine conflict has escalated further, with key military events and nuclear-related information drawing global attention. The reports revealed that Russia's S-400 air defense system was damaged by Ukraine's ATACMS missile attacks, showcasing Ukraine's precision in targeting Russia's core defense capabilities. Additionally, the exchange of missiles and drone strikes between the two sides has intensified, exacerbating tensions in the region. The BBC also disclosed critical information from a Russian serviceman regarding nuclear weapons, reigniting global fears over the potential use of nuclear arms by Russia. The public release of this information underscores that the war between Russia and Ukraine is no longer confined to conventional military operations but now carries significant global security implications. In-depth analysis, timing and implications of the nuclear disclosure. The BBC's revelation of information provided by a Russian serviceman indicates that discussions about the potential use of nuclear weapons had already occurred in early 2022, between February and March. The serviceman revealed that contingency plans for extreme scenarios involving nuclear weapons had been formulated within Russia's leadership, suggesting that the possibility of deployment had not been entirely ruled out. The timing of this disclosure holds strategic significance, a warning to the international community. By releasing this information during heightened tensions in the conflict, the BBC may aim to alert world leaders to Russia's nuclear deterrent capabilities and push for stronger countermeasures. Psychological pressure on Russia. The disclosure serves as a form of pressure on Russia, potentially undermining Putin's strategic leverage and isolating Moscow further on the global stage, highlighting multi-layered threats. While Russia's nuclear weapons may primarily serve as a deterrent, the revelation exposes the real risks of nuclear war, heightening fears in Ukraine and across the globe. In-depth analysis, military escalation and strategic shifts. Recent military actions demonstrate that the Russia-Ukraine war is increasingly entering a phase of high-tech confrontations. Ukraine's tactical success. The U.S. provided ATACMS missiles, played a pivotal role in damaging Russia's S-400 air defense systems. This represents a significant breakthrough in Ukraine's ability to dismantle Russia's defensive infrastructure, which could further weaken Russia's aerial superiority. Russia's retaliatory measures. Moscow has intensified its missile strikes on Ukraine's civilian infrastructure, aiming to undermine the population's resilience and the government's war efforts. However, these actions have drawn strong international condemnation and may lead to increased Western military aid to Ukraine. Cross-attacks using drones and missiles. Both sides have extensively deployed drones for precision strikes and intelligence gathering. This indicates that the conflict has evolved from traditional warfare to a more modern, asymmetrical battle, further complicating the situation and creating additional uncertainties. The role of drones in strategic warfare. The BBC reports highlighted the critical role of drones in the Russia-Ukraine war. Ukraine has used drones to strike targets within Russian territory, including military bases, oil depots, and transportation infrastructure, aiming to disrupt Russia's logistics. Meanwhile, Russia has repeatedly employed suicide drones to target Ukraine's energy infrastructure, seeking to weaken civilian resilience during the winter months. Additionally, Ukraine's adoption of new long-range drones has shown significant improvements in accuracy and range, with reports suggesting that some strikes have even reached border towns inside Russia. Conversely, Russia's use of Iranian-made shade drones, while less technologically advanced, has proven cost-effective and highly disruptive, placing Ukraine's air defense systems under sustained pressure. The widespread use of drones has not only altered the dynamics of the battlefield but also underscored the importance of balancing technology and cost-effectiveness in modern warfare. The frequent drone attacks further emphasize the asymmetric and high-tech nature of the conflict, with far-reaching consequences for both sides. Conclusion: the escalation of the Russia-Ukraine conflict highlights not only the military capabilities of both sides but also the far-reaching implications of nuclear threats and advanced technologies on the battlefield. With the BBC's revelation of Russia's nuclear-related plans, global attention is now focused on Putin's decisions and intentions. The future course of this war will depend on how the international community addresses Russia's nuclear threat and how Ukraine leverages technology and external support to counter Moscow's aggression.